Get a feel for the 2022 Ford Ranger. Presenting the Ranger. This midsize pickup blends agility, comfort, and capability to help you make the most of your outdoor lifestyle. Whether you need to tap its surprising payload and tow capacity for work or play, you'll appreciate its strength and efficiency, even under extreme conditions. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: keyless entry, remote engine start, fog lamps, trailer hitch, electronic stability control, running boards, intermittent wipers, tire pressure monitoring system, trip computer, bucket seats. Always use the right tools for the job. This capable Ranger is waiting to help you live, work, and play in style. Come in for a fun and easy test drive. Our team will make it the best part of your day.